Hello, instructions for in-ground pool. Go ahead and open the attached workbook. In this workbook, you'll see there are 3 worksheets, in-ground pool 1, 2, and 3. And again, they're the same amount for the loan amount for each one, the interest rate, and the monthly payments, which is 60 payments, which is 5 years. And again, we're going to do the same thing we did in the previous assignment, the car loan, but change things a little differently. So the first thing we're going to do, we'll go to Formulas, Financial, and we're looking for PMT, Payment. The rate is 8.25%, which is B5, always divided by 12 because it's paid monthly. How many payments there are? 60. If it was 5 years, we would then put 5 times 12, but B6, that's 60 payments. Present value is the loan amount, $110,000, B4, and you'll see that it's a little over $2,200 per month. And then go ahead and remember I put the minus so it doesn't come in red, and click OK. And it's all showing the cell references, B5 divided by 12, B6, and B4. If you weren't sure with the breakdown, insert function, you can see the rate, the number of payments, and the present value. So to see how much is paid on payments, it is equals, up arrow, times, and it's the term in months, and enter. And then how much is paid to the bank for borrowing this amount, equals, up arrow, minus the original loan amount, $110,000. So $24,000 goes to the bank for borrowing that $110,000 at a very high interest rate. All right, now we'll go into in-ground pool 2, and we'll select the same thing. Now, because we've used it recently, you can go to recently used and choose payment from here. And this one is the rate. Notice it's not saying cell B5. It's showing the whole annual interest rate divided by 12. Number of payments, 60, which is in B6, but it shows up as term in months. And the present value is the loan amount. And it's still the same value, $2,243, so click OK. But everything is shown in what's related to the left of the cells instead of just saying the cell reference. And the total payments will be equals monthly payment times terms in month. And then the total interest is equals what is paid for all of the loan for the 60 payments, 5 years, minus the original loan amount. So it's the same value. Now in ground pool 3, I can go back to recently used and choose payment. And if I were to actually click this, notice it's saying B5 divided by 12, number of payments. It's coming up as B6, and the present value is coming up as B4. And I wanted to show the terms, the words, so I'm going to click Cancel. What I need to do first is select the range, choose Create from Selection. Left is the default, which is perfect, and do the same thing for the second half, and then OK. So now when I go into recently used payment, when I click the interest rate, it's showing annual interest rate divided by 12, number of payments. I'm going to click B6, but it comes up as terms in month. What is the principal value, present value of the loan amount, $110,000. It shows up loan amount, same amount. Click OK. And then for total payments equals the total payments times, or monthly payments, times 60, which is 60 payments, which is 5 years, and the same amount. And the formula to find out how much is paid to the bank equals what was paid in payments minus what the loan amount was. And it should be the same thing. Now, I'm in ground pool 3. If you want to see all 3, just to check your numbers, what you can do, so I'm in ground pool 3, I'm going to click View, and I'm going to choose New Window. Then I'll go to in-ground pool 2, View, and choose New Window. Then I'll go to in-ground pool 1. Don't choose New Window. Instead, choose View and select Arrange All. I want it to show vertically, and make sure you check off Windows of Active Workbook and click OK. So it should show you in-ground pool loan 1, 2, 3, and you can see that all the values are exactly the same. And then just close out of each of the others and go ahead and make the full one, which all 3, they're the same. You can save and submit. Thank you.